Welcome to my channel again, and in today's video we will start our NCERT class 6 chapter 2, that is component of food. So in chapter 1st we just read food and where does it come from and food sources, herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. Let's take a quick revision that what is food and where does it come from. So mainly food is come from plant and animal in the form of plant, in the form of vegetables, fruits, grains, etc., and in animal in the form of meat, egg, butter, milk, etc. So what is carnivorous? A flesh eating animal means other the animal who who eat other animal is called carnivorous, and herbivorous plant eating animal is called herbivorous, and omnivorous both plant and animal eating animal is called omnivorous. So the example of omnivorous is crow, and we have crow, cat, etc., and herbivorous goat, buffalo, zebra, etc., and carnivorous tiger, lion, panther, etc. Now ingredients, we also read ingredients mean the dish we prepared and substance it is used for. This is called our ingredients. Now we will start our chapter components of food. Now in class first we made list of the food item that we eat. We also in different, this is a similar one of chapter first. So in this chapter first we made list of the food item that we eat. We also identified food item eaten in different parts of India and marked them on its map. Okay, I hope you have done this. A meal could consist of chapati, dal, and brinjal curry. And another may be rice, sambar, and a vegetable preparation for lady finger, that is also called भिंडी and okra also. Okay, so मैं आपको यहाँ पे एक इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ बता देती हूँ कि हम we also call भिंडी, I think you all know what is भिंडी, as lady finger and okra. And what? Okra. Okay guys, hope you have understood this. So this is activity that our meal usually have at least one item made of some kind of grain. Yeah, this is chapati and rice. Okay, rice. Now we will go to the important point. What do different okay, do you know our body need a kind of that? So what is a component of food that is also called nutrients? In that nutrients we have carbohydrate, vitamin, mineral, and fat. So the component of food is also called as nutrient, and in this we have carbohydrate, vitamin, mineral, fat, and other. Okay, We know that each dish is usually made up of one or more ingredients. Yeah, we just have a look at that in this table. Some common meal of different region states: Punjab, item of grain; Makka means corn, item of dal; Rajma, kidney beans, with vegetable is sarso saag, mustard leaf curry, and other is curd or ghee. Andhra Pradesh, rice, tural dal and rasm, that is charu; Kandur, dhokai, and butter means ghee, pickle, etc. Ingredient contain some components that are needed by our body. These components are called nutrients. As I told you in that the I will just do. Okay, ingredients contain some component. This is very important, where I will mark it from here to here. You must have to note this, that ingredients contain some components that are needed by our body. These components are called nutrients. The major nutrients in our body are named carbohydrate, I have sent you, protein, fat, vitamin, and mineral. So these are 5 type of component. There are 5 components: carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, and minerals. So these are very important. In addition, food contain dietary, fiber, and water, which are also needed by our body. Okay, so let us begin by testing different food items to see if they contain carbohydrate. There are many types of carbohydrate. The main carbohydrate found in our body are in the form of starch and sugars. And in chapati, carbohydrate contain, and in potato, carbohydrate is a simple starch is a simpler form of carbohydrate. Listen me carefully, that carbohydrate is a simpler form. Carbohydrate is a simpler form of starch. Okay, in potato there is carbohydrate, in chapati, and in sugar. We can easily test if a food item contains starch. So let's see how this test. Take a small quantity of food item or a raw ingredients. We will take potato. Put 2-3 drops of dilute iodine solution on it. So what is that? A dilute solution of iodine can be prepared by adding a few drops of tincture iodine to test tube half filled with water. Copper sulfate solution can be prepared by dissolving 2 grams of copper sulfate in 100 milliliter of water. 10 grams of caustic soda is dissolved in. So this is not important. This is only the iodine. Only this is important to you, and you have to revise it. Okay, observe if there is any change in the color, and when you will put 2-3 drops of dilute iodine solution on it, the color of the potato would turn in blue or black. So this is the testing of starch. In the next video we will do test of protein, and in another video, this is part first. Don't forget to see part second. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at home. If necessary, then go outside. Bye bye. Take care.